Hi, I'm Varnaz and welcome to Low Carb Keto Recipes and Having Fun. Today I have a very exciting recipe for you. It's how to make keto low carb gluten-free quesadillas in the microwave, but this has a multi-purpose use. When it comes out of the microwave, you can use it as a wrap, and then on the stove top, we quickly turn it into a quesadilla. I have made some quesadillas. Let me show you what it looks like and show it to you. Here they are. Look at that. Perfect quesadillas. So we're standing in my kitchen. Let's get cooking. So we begin, we take a mixing bowl and add in 1/4 of a cup of almond flour, 1 tablespoon of golden flaxseed meal. In that goes 1/2 teaspoon of xanthan gum. Put it all into the mixing bowl and give it a good mix. Now we are going to add 1 large egg white. Pour that into the bowl, and lastly, we're going to give it a mix first, and then we are going to add some hot water. We are going to add all of 4 tablespoons of hot water to it. There goes 2. Mix it. I'm just mixing it in the middle, and then 2 more. 4 tablespoons of hot water. Now I'm kneading it with my hands so that the xanthan gum gets activated. Now get ready to put it, take a microwave safe bowl, which is 6 inches in diameter at the bottom of the container, like that container that I have lying on the kitchen counter. You take half the mixture, just half the mixture, and you spread it out. Take a little hot water in your palms of your hand and spread it out really thin. And it's ready to go into the microwave for about 2 minutes. You can see according to the power of your microwave, it should be nicely cooked and it should plop out. Like now it's completely dry, and it can take anywhere between 2 to 2.5 minutes. Now you can use this as a wrap as is, but I'm going to show you quesadillas. So now you take the other half and again pat in, 2.5 minutes in the microwave, and there we have it. Amazing wraps too. Now let's get on to the stovetop. I've put a little bit of ghee and I'm brushing it on the pan. I have this pan which is like a griddle which has these lines, so it looks even better. But you can do it in a normal pan. Of course, I'm adding some cheese. I'm just making a simple cheese quesadilla to show you. But you can add any fillings. I'm adding some jalapenos. I'm putting the other one on top, the other wrap on top. And you cook it on each side for about 1.5 minutes to 2 minutes. You can see you'll get that lovely, the cheese will start melting inside. And there we have, hear the crunch, lovely, wonderful, cheesy quesadillas ready to be eaten. Simple to make in the microwave. Thanks for watching, and do subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to press the bell for all my notifications.